All right, guys. So I'm going to be telling you when it comes to running multiple Kdp accounts, you already know that Amazon does not permit you creating multiple Kdp accounts. But I think there are two conditions here. First of all, a different email address or under the same email address. So if your account gets terminated, I've seen a lot of people telling you that you can't create multiple accounts or um, you have to format your phone, all those stuff, and some other stuff. And what I'm going to tell you is, though Amazon does not permit you running multiple KDP account, what if your account get terminated? What do you do? Because Amazon say when they terminate your account, you can't create another one. You can't create another account. Is it that you're going to just sit there, just look and wait for um, you wait for you to get a new device or some stuff? If it's just one device you have? Is that the end of your business? So this tutorial will be telling you 9 things that I think that should be considered when creating multiple account, because some people they lie too much. Like what I say lie, it's they tell you things that really don't exist. Some say you have to format your phone before you can use a KDP account or some stuff. The truth is, your name does not lead to termination. I've seen when you try to create KDP account, it will tell you you have to use different name. Is because of the name you used. Let me tell you, there are lots of people who use there are a lot of people who can. We are many people who use the same name. So if Amazon start coming for you because you are running, you are using the same name, or you are using, let me say you are using Sarah Jakes. Do you know how many people bear that name? That is not the reason Amazon want to terminate your account. So if you're using same name, it has nothing to do with account termination. Put that in your mind. Put that in your mind. So don't nobody should cajole you into telling you that it's because your name. Though we can use, there are thousands of names you can switch to, but don't say because I used the same name, that is why Amazon terminated my account. So I'm trying to tell you that it is not same name that can lead to account termination. Then the second one there, I think, is your device does not lead to termination. People have said this, that you have to format your phone before you can use multiple accounts, or before you can create another account if your account has been terminated. Though on my YouTube channel I've talked about account termination. You can search that on how to appeal your account in case your account is terminated for reason for book blocking or that stuff. You can search on my channel and watch that so that you can appeal as well. So your device does not lead to termination. For example, if you format a phone, does it change the IP address? Let's see. We're going to search, does formatting a phone change its IP address? Because someone say Amazon is going to track you. Let's see what it says. Does factory reset change your IP address? Not necessarily. ISPs changes IP address whenever they want. Okay, not even this. Can the IP address of my phone be changed? Let's see what happened. Except you're using a VPN. That is only when your IP address can be changed. I know you will be asking me, should I use VPN to run my account? Well, I'm not telling you to use VPN. All I'm trying to tell you is formatting your phone does not change its IP address. So someone that tell you you have to format your phone and all that stuff. Another thing I tell you when running multiple accounts, it's this: you don't have to format your phone or use different network or hotspot or yes, network provider. I've seen a lot of people saying you have to format your phone, you have to use different hotspot, you have all these are just one kind of stuff. They're just one kind of stuff. At the end, I'll tell you what to do. So while we talk about this, someone say so you have to use a different email address. Yes, don't use the same email address. Let's say your account get terminated for a reason. Don't use that same email address. Use a fresh email address. This is what you must do. Use a fresh email address. Then another one here, I think, is this: use incognito mode or private mode. Yes, not formatting your phone alone. For those who are talking about formatting phone, no. Use incognito mode or private mode in your browser. For example, you can see, and if I come here and hit on this side, you're going to see something called new incognito mode. Then on other days, if I open like Brave browser, because I like using browsers to do this. So let me just open my Brave browser and see what comes up. You can see, let me just Okay, let me block this. Okay, I don't want okay, I'll restore this later because I think okay. Better still, let's see if I click in this place. You can see we have new private mode. So when I click on new private mode, I start using that. For those using PC, you can get those different browser because I advise you have a different browser if you are doing um, Amazon KDP. Still, you might be asking, why do I even want to use different browser? The recent blocking of books on from Amazon has become something else because even when you write better, they just want to terminate your account. They just want to block your book, not termination. Sorry, because currently it's not because your book is blocked, your account will get terminated. Because current bot of Amazon is very stupid. Yes, you can check my channel. That is why I'm talking about this multiple KDP account because I've talked about you creating another account when your book keep on getting blocked. There's need for you to create another account. And some ask me what should you consider when creating multiple account. That is why I'm even making this video. So you are going to use ignito mode or private mode. Yes, this is very necessary. Use ignito mode or private mode when running a new account. Don't run it on just the normal browser. Then don't add payment method, even though. But if you have different device, use it if possible. Yet, for example, you have a new phone and use it. Something I even said, I said that if you want to create your KDP account, find a friend's phone, just go there and type Amazon.com, create your account with that device. Then you can log into your Ignito mode on your new browser. You can download Kiwi browser. You can put this down. You can download Brave browser. You can download Yandex browser, Orion browser, different kind of browser you can download. Just download it. Firefox, Mozilla, or I say Mozilla, Internet Explorer. Just search and download all kind of browsers you want and use them for your business. You know, this is a business. So another one I said here, it's use a different bank details. Yes, this is one reason Amazon terminate account. For example, now let me talk about something very important, and I want you to pay in attention here. So, for example, now you're using, let me say, Clever. You're using Clever. This it's a Clever account, platform. Clever offers. Let me not even use Clever as a case study here. Let me. I want to use something like Gray.co. These are all platform. Let's say you're using Gray.co in your Amazon account and you get terminated. Remember, um, Gray gives USD. Gray give um I'm trying to get the other one. Okay, they give pounds account. Gray give euro account. Let's say one of your KDB account there you are using euro, and when you create a new one, you now come to the same Gray on that same name that you used and you used the USD on your new account, Amazon is going to track you. And when they track you, they are going to terminate your account. Yes, that is why I said use a different bank details. If you are using Gray and you get terminated, you can use a total details entirely to create a new Gray account, like your family, friend. You can just get their details and create a fresh one. But please don't go and start switching within accounts and say you're using USD. You used USD before on a new account. You want to use their pounds account or their euro account. No. Instead, you can switch to a different platform if you are using the same details. Go to Clever, create a new account and use the details there for your new KDP account as well. Then another thing there I think is publish without bank. Yes, add bank if you are not Americans. Yes, for Americans you can't create a book without adding payment method. But when it comes to this place, you can publish your book as Nigerians or in fact Africans. You can publish your book without adding back payment. If you don't know how to do that, I said that about in my last video. Let me just try show you that because I think all these are very important. Okay, let me check my videos over here so that we don't just waste much time. So it seems how to create and set up Amazon KDP account with no payment method and remove tax. You can say remove 30% tax. I explained this on how to do that. It's so easy to do so. I want you to watch that if you think it's important you do that. All right, before I show you the last one here, it's please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because on my channel I talk about Amazon KDP and how to play safe from it. If your book have been experiencing all kind of blocking, you can watch about this when it comes to blocking and how to go about it. Don't get confused. Blocking can be so heartbreaking, but most time currently is not the blocking that leads to termination. It might be one of your errors. So now I've summed this up. Which of these do you go with? Which of these you don't accept? You can put that at the comment section and say, hey, when my multiple KDP account, I don't want to do multiple KDP account. I want to buy a new device. Yes, if you have the money, you can buy a new device. But if you don't have the money, please watch all this and follow the rules there and know what and what does not lead to account termination if you're trying to run a multiple account. Be careful. Your device does not lead to it. Formatting your phone does not change the fact. It does not change your IP address. Buying a new SIM card and other stuff does not change it. Then you sure you use a different email address. I've said this time without number, and use ignito mode or private mode when browsing. It's very important. Then if you have a different device, I've said this already, then use a different bank details. I've talked about this, and publish without bank. Yes, the reason why I said this is, the recent blocking from Amazon, which we don't understand whether it's their bot or I don't really know why these blockings are all just going on. But still, just create an account, a new account, publish those your books there. Don't add payment method. In case that book still get blocked, you can think of creating a new account. Yes, except you want to quit. So still, if you want to send me a DM and you want us to talk on a voice note or a voice call, you want to explain your situation with me, you can follow this link here and chat me up as well. Or you just want to become friend with me, we can do this with link there. But before you do, ensure you subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends that are doing Amazon KDP, drop your best comment and like this video, and so that other people as well can see this. All right, guys, thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in other tutorials as well.